sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. Well, the Kansas City Chiefs beat the LA Chargers tonight, 24-17 at Estadio Azteca Stadium in Mexico City. The Chargers have now lost 7 times this year, and they have the Jets next week. And even though it wasn't a great night for the Chiefs offense, they did grow up tonight. They really showed maturity in this game, and even though they played fair but not real well, it was an impressive win for the Chiefs tonight. And Rivers threw an interception on the final drive, and Rivers has threw 4 interceptions in this game tonight. But the Chargers made too many mistakes, and that's what costed them the win in tonight's game. This game tonight was a must-win for the Chiefs, and I think Travis Kelce had 4 receptions, touchdowns in the last 3 out of 4 games, and he had 92 yards in this game tonight, and it's the second highest total of the season. And Chiefs quarterback Patrick Mahomes, the fourth active QB to get a win in 19 of 26 starts. But the Chargers took the early 3-0 lead by kicking a field goal, and then the Chiefs came back and they scored a touchdown, and that was thanks to Kelce, and he scored. That was 7-3 Chiefs at the end of the first quarter, and then the Chargers kicked another field goal. It was 7-6. Then they kicked another one. It was 9-7. The Chiefs kicked the field goal. It was 10-9 at the half, and then the Chargers came back, but Rivers threw another interception. He had thrown one in the second quarter too. He threw another interception, and then the Chiefs got a touchdown. It was, I believe, actually, yeah, it was Chiefs. I made some mistakes on my update show, but actually, no, the Chargers had scored a touchdown. It was 17-10, and the Chiefs came back and tied up that touchdown. It was 17. It was an interception by Rivers. Excuse me, I made a mistake again. I'm sorry, but it was 17-10 Chiefs. 17-9 Chiefs, and then the Chiefs scored it. The Chargers scored a touchdown, and then they got the 2-point conversion, and it was 17-all. And then the Chiefs scored another touchdown. It was 24-17. And then on the final drive in the fourth quarter, the Chargers intercepted Phil Rivers to his 4th interception, and that's what cost them the game. And nevertheless, the Chiefs get a must-win, 24-17. They go to 6-4. The Chargers drop to 4-6. And Tyreek Hill got an injury and did not. He got worked on it. They worked on his injury, but he did not return to the game. But I have to give it the game balls to Patrick Mahomes II and to Travis Kelce. I have to give it to them. So you guys really played well in tonight's game. And the Baltimore Ravens will take on the LA Rams next Monday night on Monday Night Football. And we have a great Thursday Night Football game for you, which I do believe is the Houston Texans and the Indianapolis Colts. And the Browns take on the Dolphins this Sunday at 1 o'clock. We have a great Sunday Night Football matchup as well. I can't remember what it is. I'll let you know later on this week on Thursday night, my Thursday Night Football postgame show. But this is one of those games where the mistakes did the Chargers in tonight. Even though, I mean, they played decent, but the mistakes did them in. And they gotta look at their the Jets, study them, look back at their mistakes and correct them, and try to beat the Jets this coming Sunday. So Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with one of my regular podcasts on Wednesday, but until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, any way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.